Yo, what's going on, party people? Listen, I'm just going to tell you right off the bat, this video, it's not going to be very long, but it is going to be informative. It's about the Rode VideoMic Go II. So normally, you guys are used to seeing me show up with some headphones, Rode Pod Mic USB in front of my face. I look crazy right now, don't worry. I'm getting a haircut this afternoon. But I'm actually using the Rode VideoMic Go II right now. It's actually like right out of frame. You guys saw me talk about the Rode Wireless Go II in the video I posted on yesterday. But one of the dope things I love about the Rode Wireless Go II system is that you can actually use an external mic like a lapel mic with it, but you can also use something like the Rode VideoMic Go II as kind of like your lapel mic, external microphone, basically an extension. So now I have a wireless Rode VideoMic Go II setup, and this is nothing new. This is nothing out of the ordinary. I'm pretty sure you've seen this before. As a matter of fact, when Rode released the wireless Go II promo video, you can actually see this, you know, as far as them setting up the interview, that you can set the VideoMic Go II up wirelessly. So like I said, this is not going to be a whole bunch of B-roll. It's not the perfect shot, all the colors. Again, this is just straight up. Consider this more like behind the scenes footage. But I'm recording right now basically negative 12 dB going directly into ECAMM live. I'm not gonna retouch the audio or anything like that. I may boost the levels maybe by probably 5 or 6 dB just to kind of normalize everything, but I'm not gonna process it. I'm not gonna do anything. I want you to hear the natural reverberation that I have going on in the room. I don't know. I more so would probably do like my fragrance reviews and stuff like this so I can be completely free, have nothing in front of my face, so I can talk with my hands freely. If I just want to have a conversation with you all, you know, especially after I get my hair cut, I may jump back up here and show that off, just do some more kind of product displays. If I was talking about something and I wanted to show something, you know, I don't have to kind of work around, you know, the phone, the camera, the microphone, all of that. But again, what do you think this sounds like? Let me know. First of all, did you even know that you could use the Rode VideoMic Go II in this way? I know I've posted videos about connecting it to your phone, and yes, you still can do that, but I mean, this kind of just takes things to another level. It prevents me from having to run another cable, you know what I'm saying? So I have this connected 3.5 millimeter going into my transmitter, and then the actual receiver, I have plugged up USB going into the computer. Again, yes, you can use this with a computer, with the phone, with the normal camera. I really consider this like the Swiss Army knife of like all of Rode's products. So I did say this wasn't going to be long, and y'all know I can run my mouth. So let's, you know, talk to me in the comments if you want to see more content specifically like this, even though I'm completely out of my element, but I think it is definitely more authentic. Hit that like button, you know what I'm saying? Hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the bell so you can be notified every single time I post more content like this to my channel. Drop a comment. Let me know how you feel. But until next time, I'll catch you guys in one of the next videos you see on your screen right now.